Yan, yan. Uy, andito ka?
Oo, dito ako.
Ano ginagawa mo dito?
Dito ako nagtatrabaho, tingnan mo. Call center ako.
Ay, wala. Marunong ka ba?
Siyempre, magaling ako dito. Dito nga ako nag-work eh.
Sige nga, subukan na natin.
Anong subukan natin?
Makpal tayo.
Makol? Favorite ko yun ah. Sige!
Sige nga, try natin. Ring, ring.
Thank you for calling Yan Yan Tech Support. My name is Yan Yan.
Oh, hi, Yan Yan.
Hello, can I have your first and last name?
My name is Yan Yan.
Yan Yan, that's a beautiful name. Just like, sounds like my name. Okay, Yan Yan. So I need to pull out your account. Can I have, your phone number, please?
Yes, Yan Yan. My phone number is 123.
A few moments later.
Thank you so much for calling Yan Yan Tech Support, okay? Have a great day and goodbye!